Does your tools table look like this? Rusty, rough, and just plain sad? Let's fix that with just a bit of sandpaper, WD-40, and some patience. By the end of this video, your tools will look shiny, smooth, and ready to work again. Maybe you just scored some used tools off Facebook Marketplace, or maybe your shop's humidity has taken a toll on your equipment. Either way, today I'll show you how to restore your jointer, table saw, or scroll saw table, taking them from this to this. And hey, if this helps you bring life back to your shop, hit that subscribe button and join the community. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers this year, and every sub makes a huge difference. Alright, let's get started with my jointer. I picked this one up secondhand for about $200 Canadian, and yeah, it's seen better days. First up, grab some 220 grit sandpaper and WD-40. Spray the surface and start wet sanding. I like to do this in short passes, wiping in between to track progress. If yours is extra rusty, drop down to 150 grit, then work your way up. Once most of the rest is gone, step up to 320 grit, and finally 400 grit to bring back that silky smooth finish. Pro tip: always sand in one direction. It keeps your finish clean and professional, not scratchy. When everything's smooth, wipe it dry and apply a rust protectant. I use this one from Home Depot. Use it lightly, just enough to lubricate and seal the metal. Here's the before, and here's the after. Not bad for under $10 in supplies and a few minutes of work. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll know that in 2025 I made a huge career change. I quit my job as a software developer and became a paid-on-call firefighter. Firefighting taught me something important. Your tools can literally save your life, but you have to take care of them. That mindset carries over perfectly to woodworking. With that mindset, that means we need to do my other tools. So next up is my table saw. It wasn't as bad, but still needed some love. Same process, 220, 320, then 400 grit, and finish with the anti-rust lubricant. Here's how it turned out. Smooth as glass. Finally, the scroll saw. This one was rough, but with a little extra elbow grease and the same method, it came out looking brand new. So there you have it. A simple way to keep your work surfaces rust-free and looking great. If you're just started in woodworking, check out this next video where I build a farmhouse coffee table that my wife absolutely loves. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.